Hello, everybody. We're here at RemoteCon with the product demo sessions of the conference. And now we're talking to Chanty. Chanty is a single intuitive communication tool for everybody, an easy to start and easy to use team chat with intuitive and crystal clear user interface. It was built to help small teams, startups, and SMBs to become more productive, efficient, and successful. It is affordable for any type of business, and it can boost up to 30% team productivity and staff transparency. Chanty was built, it's a Ukraine-based self-invested startup. It's focused on humanizing business processes for small teams through a revolutionary AI-powered business messaging platform. Chanty has been built for the past 3 years as the strongest alternative to Slack out there. The founder, Dmitro Okunev, began thinking of a messaging platform back in 2012 when he founded a startup called iPhone Icon Design. Even then, it was clear that the software people use for communication and collaboration should be simplified, and that the whole approach to business workflows required more humanization. His entrepreneurship skills allowed him to develop a more complex digital agency, and back in 2016, joining up with several other colleagues, he founded Chanty. We're going to talk now to Anastasia Kashina, a business development manager at Chanty. Anastasia, please share us a bit more about your product.
Hi, Alexandra. Nice to meet you, guys. What actually Chanty solves for the team communication and for small to medium businesses. We solve the following problems. Usually people used to use emailing, and suddenly they found out that it really doesn't work for the efficient team communication. Recently, with the situation of COVID-19, the remote work is really of high demand, and unfortunately, there is not always an opportunity to see each other while you are working, as it used to be at the office. So currently, we try to substitute your emails, the switching from multiple tools in order to have all the features you love, all the applications you have under one single place. We solve the problems of lost team communication, allowing people to have video and audio calls, making voice messaging as similar to WhatsApp that many people really love. And we also generate some more functionality related to team management and security. Of course, all the information shared within your team space is secure, and all the data belongs to you. We also have the opportunity to allow Chanty for more affordable price than many of our competitors. And we highly appreciate the efforts our users do in order to make Chanty even better, because our roadmap is usually highly affected by our users' requests. What functionality we have in Chanty in general? So let's assume you have your preferred applications such as Zapier, Jira, maybe some Google Calendar, some G Suite applications. We all have these. We also offer more functionality related to remote communication and remote work, such as screen sharing or such things like audio and video calls. We also allow our users not only to communicate within the team, but also with the partners. And this functionality is enabled by our feature called guest users. You can have a dedicated channel with your partners, with your outsourcing colleagues, or maybe with your clients under the single roof in Chanty. We offer a few plans which are really affordable based on our research and our, let's say, comparisons between our competitors and what we can actually offer to our users. The pricing is the following. We have free plan, which is up to 10 members in the team. You can play around Chanty whenever you wish. The time is no limit, and you can also have your team chat history with you, searchable and always at your hand. It also offers, so we also offer a business plan, which is basically $3 per user per month, paid upfront for 12 months, which is the annual subscription. Here we have the expanded functionality, such as you can invite more guest users, you can have the more file storage, you can have many unlimited features, such as set up the audio video calls, do screen sharing, having a dedicated support. We also have a lot of functionality in our plans coming in the nearest months. Again, the situation with the COVID-19, also the request of our users, told us that we need to keep improving and get the software even better than we have now. For this, we have a dedicated technical team, as well as designers and marketing department, who gather all the information from our users, from our competitors, from the latest up-to-date technical and marketing trends to get Chanty even better and let's say more engaging for our users. Of course, we are always happy to hear from you. Our headquarters is located in Ukraine, where our development center also takes place. We also have official presence in Switzerland and the United States. You can also find about us in our Facebook community, LinkedIn, Twitter, and we are also always at your service. You can shoot a message on our web chat. So this is basically what Chanty is about. Maybe I should also mention that currently we have around 60K plus active users, 34K plus active users and teams, and also we have more than 1.2 million messages sent monthly, and this number really grows every month. So you can also find about us in the feedback on Capterra and G2 Crowd. And overall, you can use Chanty on any platform you prefer. So we have the presence on the desktop platforms, on the mobile, and on the web app. You can open us in any browser. I'm really a huge fan of the latest opportunity. All the questions are welcome. I'm here at your service, Alexandra.
Thank you very much for your presentation, Anastasia. I'm actually quite happy you told us about the users and the active teams, because that's like one of the questions I wanted to know about, to ask you about. How big is your user base, and what is, like, let's say, the average user for you? What type of teams are using your product, and how big are they? What industries are they from, and all that?
So basically, our users are mainly from the IT industry or the industries connected with the real communication, such as marketing teams or marketing agencies. Some teams which work remotely from construction industry, for example, our functionality like voice messaging and calls are really on hand there. Mm-hmm. And concerning the number of the teams, so basically our teams start from 10 members. Of course, they cover our free plan, and it's with 200 users in the team. We are also thinking on expanding the opportunity and offering the enterprise offer for our, let's say, bigger customers. But for this, we need to implement more functionality, which we are also working on now. Soon, Chanty will be even bigger and more interesting for enterprise.
Speaking of functionalities, are there specific functionalities that you may have developed in the past few months, given this whole massive movement of remote work and working from home? You said that you're going to launch something pretty soon. Is there anything you're considering in this regard?
Yes, we currently maybe in a month latest too, we will release our group video calls. Currently, you can have group audio calls, but group video calling and group screen sharing will be very, very soon in a release. Also, we will expand our roles and permissions functionality. With the remote work, we see that there is a demand to manage stuff even more, let's say, not aggressively, but more thoroughly. This is why team managers really need to take a deep look on the staff communication, on the staff efficiency, and this is how our team management expanded functionality can help there. And of course, we think of, let's say, small twists and bells here and there in Chanty, just make some, the more interesting user interface for our users. Some things like custom images, which some users really love to, let's say, socialize their team communication, or things connected to customized notifications should also take place in the nearest future.
You've mentioned, and everywhere on your website, you mentioned that you're integrated with Teambook. Teambook, from what we know, and we're actually having them in the event as well, doing a demo, is the Swiss app for project management. How are you integrated with them? What exactly is your process there, and what other apps are you integrated with?
So the Teambook, what we have here in our place, this is our own, let's say, idea. It's not an application, it's just the section where all your team activities are stored and can be found. Mm-hmm. Our Teambook is really a place where you can search any files, any tasks you created, where you can search anything whenever you wish to. In terms of integrations that Chanty has and offers, let's say we have now 15 integrations and more are coming. Among the integrations we have task management integrations, also the file storage integrations like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. We also offer more for, let's say, tech-savvy people who love Jira, who love some things related to the programming. So we do have this in place, and of course you're welcome to check them all on our website. The information is available. And indeed, Teambook is let's say, unique feature we have comparing to other competitors, and the inbuilt task management solution. You can create tasks from any message in chat. We also have non-profit organizations like churches or governmental organizations that can expand Chanty's customer database, as well as, let's say, be our most loyal users. They share their feedbacks, they, let's say, engage more users, and for this we offer 50% discount from our business plan.
Okay. Thank you very much, Anastasia. It was very nice having you with us today. And we encourage everybody from the conference to come and try out your solution. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Alexandra. Nice to meet you, and hope to see you guys on our board sometime soon.
Thank you.
Take care.
Goodbye.